here we go. So this means I opened it on the right end. And this, I know, this top bit holds the snacks. Okay, so first we have Chica's whole grain rice crisps, and these are in smoky barbecue flavor. Ooh, they smell so good. These aren't overly flavored. You can still taste the grains coming through, which is lovely. Some of us will get the barbecue flavor, as I clearly did, and some of us will get salt and vinegar. Next, we have real hand-cooked jalapeno pepper flavored potato crisps. Let's give these a try. Okay, there's the kick. Okay, this is a Prodigy dark chocolate with sea salt bar. And some of you will get caramel cahoots. Oh my gosh. So I thought it would be like a snack bar, but look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, that's the first layer. I've just pulled out my gin magazine from the box, and it looks like there are loads of cocktail recipes. And then we have recipes for the perfect G&T and our cocktail of the month. I like to do my unboxing with this page so I can see what everything is. First, I have some garnish. This is lemon and cucumber. This is our cocktail syrup for the cocktail of the month. This is a Riverside Sunrise. Okay, I'll save the gin for last. We've got Flossom Sweet and Sour Apple. So this is the Soho Juice Company. This one is apple, honey, and lemon. And some people get the cucumber, mint, lemon, and lime version. This is Hartridge's Grapefruit Tonic. So you get 2 of these, okay? I'll put this aside to recycle. Look at that, so gorgeous. This is the River Test Distillery Chalkstream Gold. This is a special edition just for Craft Gin Club. And because it's all about the River Test, it's all meant to be inspired by kind of a fly fishing vibe. Look, they've even got a fly on there. So we've got our perfect G&T right here and our cocktail of the month right here. And that's our March 2021 Gin of the Month box. So how early is too early for a G&T? Asking for a friend, obviously.